Alright guys, does your Freightliner Classic looks like this with the speaker and it sounds like shit? And you want it to make it look like this? And if it ever blows up, 4 screws and comes right out. Well, this is what you do. You need a hammer, drill, metal saw if needed, and some cutters. I use these to cut the speaker off, and you're probably gonna need the small ratchet with a T25 Torx. Well, the Freightliner is saying you have to remove all this good stuff right here. Well, I don't have time to do that. What I do, I get the hammer and hit it right here. Comes right up. And you probably need a flat screwdriver. Alright. And some pliers. There's your messed up speaker. Take this stub out. So make sure your radio is off while you do this. Alright. What you gotta do now is you gotta cut this around here, around the speaker. And there's 4 screws from the back. That's what you need the ratchet for. Once you take that out, the speaker's you're ready to install the new speaker. And you're gonna need probably, I got this at Walmart. They're 4-inch speakers, like 20 bucks, and it sounds great. So I'm gonna install them.